All right, folks, so World Vegan Day is celebrated on November 1 and is not only dedicated to vegans, but to raise awareness of how our eating habits impact our health, our food supply, and our environment. Plus, to encourage you to try out a vegan restaurant or dish. Today, our former co-host, Untitled Vegan Goddess, Madonna, is here to share some tasty and healthy ideas. That's a former co-host because she come about 400 times, and every time she come, she give me a hard time on television. Not this morning. My friend, good morning. Great to see you. How are you?
Great to see you. Thanks for having me. Promise me you're not going to tell anybody that I'm a mad woman this morning, right?
No, you are never a mad woman. Boy, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. By the way, she's also someone who, and I say this deliberately, who feeds me, because every now and again she will put some stuff together and send for me.
And you feel good. It make you feel good, though, and look good.
Perfect. What you going to make this morning? I see some smoke and thing come out, or steam, or whatever you want.
So I'm going to make some sea moss porridge.
Sea moss porridge.
Or Irish mush, whatever you want to call it.
How do you make that?
Simple thing, because Irish mush is not supposed to cook. Because they said Irish mush contain like 90% of what our body needs. So since Irish mush is so important to us to have, then it makes sense in the morning if you have to go on the road or you're sending the children them off to school. It makes sense to just deal with it and give them, so you know, say, them get some proper...
All right, so go, how long it take though?
Second.
That's
You
it?
see how it look?
And then what you do now? So this is the sea moss?
Yes, sir.
All right, and what you going to do now?
All right, so I'm going to put it in the pot and make it bubble. Just heat it for a second. See that?
Okay.
A long time we eat like this in a never.
I know that.
World Vegan Day, we used to say Untitled Day, right?
But they change it up.
But one man come in and say, a vegan and the world run with it, you know? We used to say Untitled and nobody run with it. So you look at this now, Neville. You see how it white?
But how long that will take, man?
Rest away around the thing for man, it not take long. All right, seconds, I said seconds. Right. So you see it, we're just heating it up because it's not supposed to cook. It's not supposed to be heated. And since I want me you not taste the tea, see the time tea when we bring for the eye, you know. Now ramp with me, you know. Time, yeah, it's very good for you. Drink it off.
Sugar and
body up this morning and long. You see, like I'm not see this long time. Yeah. Me want to make sure so you're all right. So but make sure so you drink that because.
It's cold.
Yes, man. A tea. It can drink cold and it can drink hot.
Yeah, it tastes good.
How it tastes?
It tastes good.
It tastes good. Just drink up
like time. Suppose it tastes like time, no?
Yeah. All right. So watch me now.
Yeah.
So you know, so we have sweetened condensed milk. You can also make it yourself.
You can make the condensed milk.
Yeah, man, you can do all them things here yourself. So this is not from the animal because everything here are just strictly plant-based.
So it's coconut condensed milk?
Strictly plant, yes, coconut condensed milk. So, I don't even like the word condensed. Just say coconut milk.
So it's coconut milk?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. See that?
Yeah. What else?
Turn your back. I'm going to put something in it. I know what you see. Turn on.
What is that?
I now make you know. All right. I make you know. Come here. This good for you. Now this is cinnamon. It helps you with your blood sugar. Something we then call nutmeg. So we just put a little for taste.
Yeah.
All right.
Actually, this tea don't taste bad.
No, man. Just drink your tea, man. If you feel any pain. As a matter of fact, for COVID, this is the best thing for you. You know,
so why not hot, by the way?
Because a long time I do it.
Oh.
I'm deliberately want to give you something.
But it's supposed to be hot?
Not really. No, man, you can't drink. It's time. So time is good for everything. Time is good.
But
if you're feeling pain and if you're coughing, for the COVID, for the children, that's why they must drink it before they go to school. Because if they're feeling any pain, if you feed them good and them reach school and them feel anyway, it may not be so severe because, you know, them having some good things in them temple. All right.
Why are you doing that? What else you bring here?
All right, yeah. Come over here so make we talk. Cause
them say we have to keep
me never. Excuse me. All right. So Neville, you don't know, say.
Yeah.
A goddess thing we are dealing with, God and goddess. Creativity is the order of the day for I and I.
Yeah.
So, this finish, you know, I want you to taste it. And me not make it sweet either, because you're not supposed to take anything sweet.
No, me, so many things that me want sweet, man.
Sure. What you want, yes. Tell me what you want. All right, come over here, so. So this is,
do you say you want me to taste this?
Yeah, but all right. Kaya run me Rasta.
What, you cook that milk again?
Yo, this is the real coconut, you know. Because you know, say as a Rasta start the thing. Everything real, anything we eat, real. You see how it rich?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, you plan to give me to taste it anytime this morning?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Oh,
All right,
you're
come over here.
welcome.
So while you taste, all right, stay right there, them say.
Yeah.
So
what
this
you
is
bring?
popcorn, turmeric popcorn.
Turmeric popcorn.
Yes. What? Where you make up your face so far?
Tell me never hear about turmeric popcorn.
Well, you don't know, so we are creators, so you're not going to hear nothing when we come with, you're not going to hear about it. All right, so this is breadfruit callaloo fritters. And you know, breadfruit is good for you, and callaloo that we eat. I have sickle cell trait, and them say we not going to survive. Them used to say, Rasta, where I eat cabbage and callaloo? Yes, that I used to eat, and still I eat, and still I live. So if you make the breadfruit fritters for them, because breadfruit is in season now, and callaloo is in season now, because rain is falling, so the callaloo tastes good.
This supposed to still have bubble up?
Why you not turn it off? You could have moved over here, so come turn it off, you know.
Man. Thank you.
Sure, Rasta. All right, it's done.
Right, yeah.
How it tastes?
Excellent.
Brilliant. Nice.
Yeah.
All right. And so this is not full, because some people
What
don't
it
want
is?
this oil. We have make up your face when me talk to you. Smile now.
No, me say what it is you said.
All right, so this is bean, broad bean, our Jamaican local broad bean.
No, but you said not full.
Not full, I call it, because we can name things, so you know, we don't have to wait for Babylon to tell we so something name. So if I make it, I name it. So I call it not full, right? So it's beans, and you know we get the protein and everything from it. And this is an avocado dip.
Yeah.
You know, like how you go like you laugh after, you laugh at me, you know.
No,
Mine, you know.
I like the fact that you say you have to wait for Babylon for name it. Come
No.
back here, you know, where you going to leave me, come back around here.
Finally.
Yeah.
Well done. All right. And this is a pop choy, lettuce, and kale salad.
Okay.
So we done this. Oh, and this is guava ice cream. Good morning, Jamaica. Smile. Jamaica, good morning. So this is guava ice cream. You see it? So I love, yeah.
You make that too?
Yes.
How you
So
make it?
I love to use guava for kids because it's one of the fruit that is not that sweet, and it has protein in it. Right?
We have 1 minute to go.
All
Tell
right,
me
1 minute. We're going to done that, man. So you know, say, how we start this thing, my first plant-based or ital food is beans. Right? When we used to go around the Rasta man, them say them not eat meat and thing, and me I say, wonder how this thing are going to work out. But when we see them start cook red peas stew and things, so yeah, me have to salute the ancestors, them who start this thing.
The camera will catch it.
Where
Where you going
camera?
with it? Put it back where you're going with it.
Yeah, we have to salute, you know,
So
the
that is,
ancestors.
so tell me what is in here now?
So this is rice and red pea stew.
Okay.
You see I put a lot of nutritional things in the rice. I put string bean. I call it a garden rice.
It looks sweet still.
All right.
What is
And what
this?
else this? Oh, this is a veggie pie.
What is in it?
You ask so much question. Me can't take. All right. So it's just mince,
Yeah.
veggie mince, and carrot and a lot of vegetables.
And this look like macaroni and cheese.
Right. So you know.
I have a question. What is this? What is this?
You tell me, as a teacher, what that look like?
What it look like, Sim? Eggplant.
It look like an eggplant?
What?
And the color?
Wait, what is it?
Pear.
It's pear?
It named never pear.
Musk, I never see pear like that.
Right, so
Madonna,
we are going to
is-
name it.
it
We're
is
going to
so
name
good
it
to
this
see you.
morning.
It
Never
is so
pear.
good to see you. We have to go, you know.
Yeah, man.
But it is so good to see you.
So
All
good
of
to
this is
see
mine,
you
though.
too.
All of this is mine.
Of course.
Thank you.
All, everything.
I love you.
So what happened to the juice?
So, I'm going to drink
Show
tea.
some my juice in the porridge and make it get cold and drink it.
She's an ital vegan goddess. I wonder a few problems. But it's nice with you.
Me forget.
What?
Let me
What
stay
is?
for it. That's some nuts. Tap it up.
After the break, a fun stuff. I thought this was the fun stuff with movies and water. We'll be right back, Babylon.
Forward.